Mr. Harish, your interview is on which date and in which place?
Sir, my interview is on February 11th, sir, at Karnataka, sir, at Bangalore.
Uh, Bangalore. Acha, very good. Excellent. So can you please, is this your first mock or second mock?
Sir, my first mock interview, sir.
Can you tell us about yourself?
Yes, sir. Sir, good evening, sir. I am B. Harish Kumar. I am coming from Rockford City of India, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. I am a hardworking commerce graduate with accountancy as my major subject, having an aggregate of 82% in my BCom. I have completed my master's degree MBA Banking and Finance in Algappa University with 78% of marks. My short-term goal is to get a good opening in a reputed institution like Karnataka Bank, and my long-term goal is to achieve a higher position in that sector where I can build my career as well as support the organization too. My family consists of four persons. My father's name is Mr. B. Badrinath. He is
Na-
working as a commercial tax officer.
Name not required.
Okay, sir. My mother is a housewife, and I have a younger sibling. He is currently pursuing BCom final year in Bishopur College. I have also I have also received a Best Candidate Award for organizing and conducting various volunteer activities in the Junior Red Cross Society. And at the same time, I have also received a gold medal and a shield from my Trichy district collector in 2014, Mr. Palaniswamy. So I would like to thank the panel members for giving me an opportunity to introduce about myself. Thank you, sir.
But you are talking too fast. You
Oh,
can
sir.
talk slightly slower than the speed at which you are talking, but you are communicating well. That is good. Huh? You studied MBA correspondence or regular?
No, sir, in correspondence only, sir.
Acha, you should tell. Doesn't matter. Don't tell. Let them ask you. No problem. What are the subjects you studied in MBA?
Sir, that financial accounting, sir.
Mm,
Then business law.
mm,
Then I have studied business maths as well. Then
mm.
general fundamentals of banking, how banking has been worked. Like that, I have studied all those things.
How banking is working?
Sir, banking, the major role of banking is to accept deposit from the public and lending loans to the general public, sir.
Mm.
So, banking has been majorly working in this aspect only, and at the same time bank also provides various para banking services also, like insurance, locker facilities. So all those facilities are also available in banks.
Not bad. Not only insurance, mutual funds, wealth management, advisory services also. Not bad. You told
Okay.
correctly. Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me the subjects you studied. Business, content. What is that?
Yes, sir. For general accounts, sir, basic
Ah,
accounting, financial
mm,
accounting, we'll say, and then
mm.
business laws, sir, like how contract act has been made.
Which business laws are you remembering now?
Sir, I'm just remembering contract act, sir, Indian Contract Act 1872.
Mhm. What is a contract act? Who is not eligible? I mean, who is not fit to enter into contract?
Sir, the persons who are not making any agreements between another person, those persons are not eligible for entering into the contract, sir. And the
Mm.
second thing is, uh, so this is the major this is the major reason that the person not entering into the
You
contract,
have
sir.
to revise. You have to revise. Please go to Chat GPT. Ask, please tell me questions on Contract Act. Please prepare. Contract Act, Partnership Act, Companies Act,
Okay, sir.
then
Okay, sir.
Labor Act. Like that, you must know. Here, the answer I expected from you is that a minor is not cannot enter into contract.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Minor.
Then a drunkard cannot enter into contract. A lunatic cannot enter into contract.
Yes, sir. Understood. Yes, studied
And
it.
an undischarged insolvent cannot enter into contract. See, when a person is considered as insolvent by the court, next 12 years he cannot enter into any contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, your account is in which bank?
Sir, I am having account in City Union Bank, sir.
Oh, who is the MD and CEO of City Union Bank?
Sir, Mr. V. Kamakoti, sir.
Have you tried for a job in City Union Bank?
No, sir.
Okay. So what is the plus point of our bank, minus point of our bank?
Sir, coming to the positive side, Sir, Karnataka Bank is a well-established private sector bank, sir, and it has been listed in the Schedule A category. Recently, it has celebrated its 100th celebration, centenary celebration. The
Hmm.
major plus point of Karnataka Bank is the career growth of employees is very good, sir. And at the same time,
Hmm.
the retention rate of employees is also very good comparing to other private sector banks as well as public sector banks. So
Hmm.
these are the major plus points that Karnataka Bank is having.
Hmm.
The Sometimes the working hours of Karnataka Bank is too long. So this is the minus point what I have noticed, sir.
No, no, you should not tell this. If you tell that, they will say that means you will not work if I ask you to come on Sunday.
No, sir, not like that, sir.
But don't tell this. You can even answer like this. Sir, I am not aware of any negative points. I have not come across any negative points. May possibly the number of branches being mostly in South India, not in North India. Once we expand in North India also, possibly our business will improve, will expand more. Something like that you can say.
Oh,
Instead of
yes, sir.
telling,
I just got to look at
that will be better. Good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now, which area should I ask you question? Ocha, let me go to commerce. Please tell me what is a balance sheet.
Sir, a balance sheet is a financial statement which is prepared on a particular date, sir, where the items like liabilities and assets will be placed there. In liabilities, the shareholders' capital and all those sundry creditors will be listed in this liability side. In asset side, cash in hand, cash at bank, like current assets, fixed assets, closing stock, all those items will be placed in the asset side, sir. At the end of the day, or at the end of the financial year, the accountant needs to tally the balance sheet and they need to submit it to the reporting authorities.
Okay. Have you gone through our bank's balance sheet?
Uh, yes, sir, but uh, no, sir. I have just gone through, but I didn't notice about all those things, sir. I have gone through that previous year balance sheet.
What are the items that will appear under the asset side of a bank balance sheet?
Sir, in asset side, the major things appear means fixed assets, sir. Like, see, fixed assets, sundry debtors will be appeared, sir. Closing stock will appear, cash in hand and cash at bank. All those items will be appear in asset side.
What is the question I asked you?
Sir, what are the items appear in the asset side of the balance sheets?
No, no. Asset side of a bank balance sheet.
Oh, bank balance sheet. Sir, deposits. Sorry, asset side means loans will be there, sir.
Then
Uh, Sir, uh, bank has been sir அந்த தமிழ்ல
actually,
இல்ல சார் ஆர்பிஐ அந்த அமௌண்ட் வச்சிருப்பாங்கல்ல சார் சிஆர்ஆர் அந்த all those
hmm,
things.
hmm,
Amount to be held with RBI like CRR, SLR,
hmm.
all those things will be appear on the asset side of the balance sheet, sir.
See, actually, you should tell like this. Under asset side, fixed assets, land, building, machinery, vehicles. Then under the asset side, current assets, the loans and advances given by bank to customers and monies kept by bank with other banks and RBI and other receivables, if any, or any advance payment made by the bank. Apart from that, under the liability side, the deposits received from the public and other long-term loans taken by the bank from RBI or other institutions, and then capital and reserves. These items will appear under the balance sheet credit side, that is liability side.
Okay, sir. I
Okay.
just yes.
Invariably, they do ask question, what are the three golden rules of bookkeeping?
Yes, sir. Sir, the three major golden rules of bookkeeping are classified into three heads, sir. Personal account, real account, and nominal account, sir. Personal account stands for debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account stands for debit what comes in and credit what goes out. And nominal account stands for debit in all expenses and losses and credit in all incomes and gains.
Super. Good. You told very nicely. Mr. Hari.
Harish Kumar. Yes, sir.
Harish,
Harish Kumar, sir.
what is your daddy?
Sir, my father is working as a commercial tax officer.
But nowadays, commercial tax is there or not?
Yes, sir. Commercial tax is there.
Now only
They are
GST is
no, sir.
GST.
They are working. Their major profession. They have given the name commercial tax officer, sir. But they are working under GST related. Sir.
Oh, what can you talk to me a few points about GST? What is GST? How many types of GST? What are the different rates of GST? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Sir, firstly, GST stands for Goods and Service Tax, sir. Why GST has been established means earlier before GST, value-added tax has been introduced, sir. Value-added tax means for each state we need to pay taxes, whereas GST means it is a consumption and a destination-based taxes, sir. So GST has been further classified into three modes of categories, sir, like CGST, SGST, and IGST. Where CGST and SGST stands for Central Goods and Service Taxes, SGST stands for State Goods and Service Taxes, IGST stands for Integrated Goods and Service Taxes, sir. For
Hmm.
example, if a person who manufactures bottles send from one state to another state means IGST will be levied on that particular bottle, sir. Whereas in case of that bottle has been manufactured and supplied within the state means SGST and CGST will be levied. So there are
Okay.
five
Uh,
categories of
okay.
5% of
What was important as on 30th January?
30th.
What important incident happened on 30th January?
Uh,
Mahatma Gandhi's death.
okay, sir. Mahatma Gandhi.
Are you not aware of that?
No, sir.
Which year he died?
No, sir.
1948.
Okay. 1940. Yes, sir.
1948. Now, what is going to happen on 1st February? What is important?
Sir, our Union Finance Minister is going to tackle budget, sir. Going to prepare budget.
Very good. That's good. You told this one correctly. Can you name five union ministers and their cabinets?
Yes, sir. Sir, firstly, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, he is handling Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, sir. Second person is Mr. Amit Shah. He is handling Union Minister of Home Affairs. Third thing is our Finance Minister, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman, ma'am. Uh, she's a Union Minister of Finance. And fourth thing is Ministry of Earth Sciences, Mr. Jyotir Aditya Scindia. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare is Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
Can you name three ministers from state cabinet, Tamil Nadu state cabinet?
Yes, sir. Ministry of Women and Social Welfare is Mr. Geeta Jeevan. Ministry of Finance is Mr. P. Tangam Tennarasu. Ministry of uh, Rural Development is K. N. Nehru, sir.
How many districts are there in Tamil Nadu?
Sir, in Tamil Nadu there are 32 districts, are there, sir.
Where did you study 32 districts?
Sir,
Totally, there are 38.
38. Okay. Sorry.
Doesn't matter. Who is the collector of your district now?
Sir, Mr. Pradeep Kumar, sir, Collector of Trichy District.
Very good. Now, Trichy district, can you tell the famous tourist destinations?
Sir, Trichy is mainly famous for its temples, sir. So it is called. Many temples are there, sir. Like Rockfort Temple, Srirangam Temple, Samayapuram Temple is there, Vayalur Murugan Temple, and Thiruvarambur Ermbishwara Temple. So there are a lot of famous temples are there. And at the same time, Mukambo River is there. Kallanai Dam is there. Kaveri River is also flowing towards Trichy, sir. So these are the
Very,
various tourist spots that are available
yeah,
in Trichy.
tourist spots. Yeah, yeah. It's okay, fine. You are answering well. No problem. Have you attended any other interviews earlier?
No, sir. I have just preparing for competitive exams. In that exam, I have cleared RRB PO mains, and I have
Hmm,
attended two interviews, sir. RRB PO mains interview, and earlier last year I have attended IBPS PO interview also, sir.
that is the advantage. Good. That is why you are able to answer. This year, what happened? Have you passed or not?
This year I have left the RRB PO by 2 marks, sir. For unreserved category, I am coming from since I am a Brahmin.
Yeah,
OC
yeah.
caste.
What
I
about,
missed.
doesn't matter. What about PO mains? Did you clear it this time? No.
No, sir. All PO mains have been cleared, sir. Even IBPS PO mains also I have cleared.
No, this time also you cleared.
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. That means you will again come for two interviews or one interview. You are answering very well. No problem. Absolutely any. Now, next, I should ask you some question which you cannot answer. You are a commerce graduate. Can you tell me the LRM means what?
Sir, LRM.
In terms of economy, LRM and Manmohan Singh, what is the connection? Expansion of LRM.
Sir, I have studied about loan review mechanism only. I don't know whether.
LRMS means liberalized something. Liberalization. LPG.
Oh, yes, sir,
What?
yes, sir. LRMS,
Eh,
Liberalized Remittance Scheme, I think.
Yeah, yeah. Then LPG means
Sir, liberalization, privatization, and globalization, sir.
good, excellent, very good. Supposing, what is your idea? Supposing Karnataka Bank is made public sector, what is your view regarding that?
Sir, to be honest, Karnataka Bank is also a well-established private sector bank. Since, sir, to be honest, I don't think Karnataka Bank will be. Sir, I'm just.
Will be nationalized, will be
Yes.
public made public because it is not that very big. There are other big banks, which is the biggest bank in India.
Sir, in public sector, State Bank of India, sir. In case of private sector, is HDFC Bank, sir.
Correct. But the question, which is the biggest bank, you should tell HDFC straight away. You don't have to tell public, private, and all that.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, no problem. You have done well.
Yes, sir.
What is your number?
Sir, 9384.
Acha, acha, morning wala. Morning
Yes.
wala. Okay, okay. Thank you. Not bad. Best
Thank you, sir.
wishes. What was the marks you were getting in your IBPS, PO, RRB interviews?
Sir, in RRBPO, I have secured 80 marks, sir, out of 100. Uh,
80 out of 100. Super. Then,
in IBPS, I have secured 70 marks, sir.
excellent.
Because that was my first
Why
interview.
don't why don't you help other candidates in our Karnataka Bank group? Sit with them during daytime, discuss about various questions that can be asked, talk in English comfortably. That will help you improve your communication skill in English. You are having some issue only in that. You are scoring 85, but some English, suddenly you wanted to speak in Tamil. So please, why don't you teach others?
Yes, sir. I have all since I am coming from Tamil Nadu. I have also opened a group in WhatsApp group in Tamil Nadu where we are discussing all those important points and how to answer, how to handle these kind of questions.
Excellent. Good. Very good. Best wishes.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.